Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I purchased myself from Amazon, and this here is the eyebrow stencil from Linkinghome. I purchased this with my own money, and I posted a video of how to use this product on my TikTok, and it got over 300,000 views. I was definitely not expecting that because the algorithm has been hating me as of lately. So rude. But anyway, I got a ton of questions about this product, so I thought of making this video for you guys and answering most of the questions that I did receive. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use this product here to fill in my eyebrows. And the reason I purchased this is because you guys, I always complain about this in most of my videos, that I have uneven eyebrows. One of them is higher than the other, and it's just... they're not symmetrical. They're like long distant cousins, and I want them to look more like sisters. So that's why I bought the stencil. Let's go ahead and begin with a little review of this product, answering all your guys' questions as I fill in my eyebrows.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Let me show you guys everything that comes inside of this little box here so that you guys know what you're receiving if you guys do decide to purchase this. I do have this product linked down below in my description box if you guys would like to purchase it. But anyway, it comes with 24 stencils. And it comes with a little band just to keep them all together. So you have different options. If you have much thinner eyebrows than me, there's going to be a stencil for you. If you have thicker eyebrows, then there's definitely going to be a stencil for you. There's a stencil for everyone here and different eyebrow shapes. I know that not everybody's is like more on the square side. Some people have like more like small, thin, rounded eyebrows, and there's going to be a stencil for you. So again, there's 24 in total here, and you'll also be receiving one of these eyebrow shavers so that you can just shave your eyebrows wherever you need to. Get that unibrow, girl. And then there's going to also be two of these little bands. Two of these little, hold on, let me take it off because it would make more sense if I showed you guys how it works. I just don't know where the other one is. Somewhere around here. So you're going to receive two of these little bands, and these are going to be used to hold your stencils onto your head. The stencil that I love to use is called the Phoenix Eyebrow, and it's a little bit more on the thicker side. Okay, I will show you guys how it works, but one thing that I do recommend that you do before using this, of course it's going to be new when you first receive it, so you can disregard this part, but if you already have the stencil, one thing that you need to know is that you have to clean off the stencil before doing your eyebrows, because it's just the previous eyeshadow that you use is just going to get all over your face, so just make sure you wipe it down. I'm going to grab a makeup wipe so that I can do that. Okay, so I just cleaned up this top half, but you can see that there's still eyeshadow on this bottom one. You just get a makeup wipe and take it off, or just get a wet rag and wipe it off, because if you just apply this over, again, you're going to get that previous eyeshadow onto your face. If you already have your face makeup done, then you're not going to like that. Let's pretend that this is a brand new stencil. The way you're going to apply the band into the stencil, there's going to be two little holes on each side of the stencil. I think I'm doing it wrong. Okay. So you're going to put this little metal little thing, put it into the hole, and it's going to hold in place. We're also going to do the other side. And just like that, you have your stencil. Okay, we're going to apply this to, hopefully you don't have a big ass head like I do, but if you do, it's okay. Because if it works for me, it's going to work for you. You're going to align your eyebrows. Now for brow powder, you can use eyeshadows, or I don't know, maybe you guys have something else that you can use, but I like to use the Benefit Foolproof Eyebrow Powder. This one is the number 5, and it has two shades in here. This one is for the inner part of your brow, and then this is for the outer part of your brow so that you can get that ombre effect. So of course I'm going to go into this part here first, and I'm sure you guys can see this on camera that this side right over here is a lot fuller than this side. So this one just needs a little bit more loving. So we're going to start here. I'm going to push this part down, and I'm just going to begin to lightly fill this area in. I'm just using a fluffy brush. I do prefer to use fluffier brushes for a more light finish on the eyebrows. Okay. One thing that I was noticing in the comments is like people were like, they don't even look even. Well, this is a stencil. This is just to give you an idea of where your eyebrow should be located because, again, if you have the same problem as I do, one is higher than the other, then you already know that this is where they should be and you can just clean them up after. So we're just filling this area in right here. And with the fluffy brush, you kind of like want to go back and forth like this so you get those areas, every area right there. I'm going to go into the dark side of the powder now and I'm going to begin filling this outer brow just like this. Just repeat the same thing over to this other side. Just like that. Perfect. We're going to remove the stencil now. And there are my eyebrows. And again, if my eyebrows do not look the same, at least you have an idea of where they should be located onto your face. You can go in with your eyebrow brush, an angled brush like this one here, and just fix whatever you need to. I really don't feel like I need to fix a lot. It's just that my eyebrows are just shaped differently, and I think it's this eyebrow here. It's a lot fuller, so it looks a lot different. I'm gonna go in there with the powder and just get the areas where I still think that needs a little bit of work. I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in regards to this brow stencil. Do you like it? Do you not? There are different shapes, okay? But I can't use all the shapes because they won't complement my natural brow shapes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. It was very short, very simple, but it is that quick and easy to do your eyebrows using these stencils. I will have the brow powder as well linked down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase this. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's little mini tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.